there's a lot of opinions on, what makes a good salesperson. And there's the whole argument of born salesman versus learn to be a good salesman. At Epic, at this point, we grow over 20% a year. We have 0 salesmen. But in a way, we have lots of salesmen. And the salesmen are all sitting over there in those cubicles, and they're out at plants. And they're mostly dealing with engineers. And you know what? Engineers don't need a lot of frill and smooth talk and whatever. They just want to talk to another person that's like them, that's competent, that's honest, that follows through on what they say they're going to do. That's what makes a good salesman. It's like, there is no magic. Yes, there are things that you can do about thinking through kind of the be the ball, where is my client right now in the whole sales, what's his thinking right now? And yes, there are things that you can learn like that. But fundamentally, if you're a good engineer that genuinely cares about your client's well-being and that he's kept whole on things, you can be a great salesman.